When it comes to connecting your computer or portable audio devices, the right cable can make all the difference. This 3.5mm audio cable is designed specifically to deliver quality sound from your PC sound card, portable CD player, or any mini stereo device to your multimedia speakers without compromise. What sets this cable apart is its fully molded connectors. These connectors don't just look sturdy, they provide excellent strain relief, meaning they withstand regular use without wearing out. Plus, the nickel-plated finish ensures a strong, reliable connection that resists corrosion and lasts longer than typical cables. Audio quality matters, and this cable takes that seriously. It features foil shielding that blocks unwanted noise interference. That means you get clean, clear sound without the buzz or static that often disrupts less protected cables. Whether you're listening to music, watching a movie, or gaming, the audio stays crisp and consistent. Another thoughtful detail is the color-coded connectors. Designed to match the PC99 standard, these make it easy to plug the cable into the correct jacks without guesswork. This little feature saves time and frustration, especially if you're not tech-savvy or dealing with multiple audio devices. C2G backs this product with branded packaging that guarantees quality. Every cable is carefully packaged to arrive in perfect condition, so you get exactly what you expect, no surprises or damaged parts right out of the box. Users have praised this cable for its reliability, especially when used with older systems. One reviewer shared how it worked flawlessly with a Windows 7 computer and a monitor with built-in speakers. The cable connected everything seamlessly and performed exactly as intended, with no errors or interruptions. While the price might not be the lowest on the market, the quality and durability you get make it a worthwhile investment. This cable isn't just about connecting devices, it's about ensuring your audio experience is smooth and dependable every time. If you're tired of dealing with crackling sounds or flimsy cables that break after a few uses, this 3.5mm audio cable offers a solid solution. It's built to last, easy to use, and designed with your audio clarity in mind. Imagine plugging in your device and hearing your favorite songs or podcasts without any interference or dropouts. That's what this cable delivers, consistent performance that lets your audio shine. Whether you're upgrading your home office setup, enhancing your gaming rig, or just want better sound from your older devices, this cable fits the bill. It works across a range of compatible devices, making it a versatile addition to your tech gear. The nickel-plated connectors not only improve signal transmission but also resist wear, so you won't have to worry about frequent replacements. This durability means fewer hassles and more time enjoying your audio. Foil shielding is often overlooked in budget cables, but here it's a key feature. By blocking interference, it ensures the sound you hear is true to the source, free from distortion caused by nearby electronics or signal noise. Color coding might seem minor, but it's a simple convenience that makes setup quicker and error-free. This is especially helpful if you're connecting multiple devices or if others in your household use the same equipment. The cable's length and flexibility allow for easy placement of your audio devices without awkward stretching or tangling. It's designed to fit naturally into your setup, whether on a desk, entertainment center, or portable audio station. For anyone seeking a dependable audio connection, this cable is worth a look. It combines practical design with quality materials to support your listening needs day after day. If you're ready to upgrade your audio connections, this cable offers what you need: clarity, durability, and ease of use. Try it when you're ready and experience the difference a well-made cable can make. In summary, this 3.5mm audio cable stands out for its fully molded, nickel-plated connectors, effective foil shielding, and color-coded design. It's a reliable choice for anyone serious about maintaining clear, interference-free sound from their computer or portable audio devices. Don't settle for less when it comes to your audio setup. Choose a cable that's built to last and designed to deliver. If that's you, this cable could be the simple upgrade that makes your sound system feel brand new.